Welcome to the Greater Mood and Wellness channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos when we post them. Today we are talking about makeup and how to make it last. So how long does makeup usually last? Typically it's around 6 to 8 hours, but let's make it last all day. First, start with a clean, moisturized face. Use a primer. It's like glue for your makeup. Then pick long-wearing foundation and concealer. Set everything with a translucent powder. Here's a tip. Use a setting spray after each layer of makeup. It's a game changer. For eyes, go for waterproof mascara and eyeliner. They won't smudge or fade. And finally, don't forget your lips. Line them with a lip pencil and use a long-lasting lipstick. A touch of setting powder over your lipstick can also work wonders. There you go. Now, you're all set to rock that makeup all day long. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. You can also visit greatermood.com for more skincare, beauty, and wellness tips. See you next time.